Welcome back to this video lecture, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. I am Monojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. My dear students, today I want to solve a very important math from chapter number 7A, Cost Accounting. Joshua Board 2016, math number 9. My dear students, at first we want to see the problem. The following information regarding production of FIME Limited for the year ended 2015 are as follows. Raw material used 34,000 taka. My dear students, in this math, there is no necessary to calculate raw material used. Opening work in process 5,200 taka. Closing work in process. Opening finished goods, closing finished goods. Direct wages 14,000 labor hour per hour taka 2. Factory manager's salary, factory overhead, factory supplies also factory overhead, indirect wages, factory overhead, sundry factory expenses, factory overhead. Administrative expenses, it will be shown in office and administrative overhead. Selling expenses, it will be shown in selling and distribution overhead. Okay, dear students. Profit 20% on sales, but in this math there is no sales. Okay, dear students. Now requirement. Requirement A, calculate the amount of prime cost. Requirement B, calculate the factory cost and cost of goods sold taking prime cost 60,000 taka. Requirement C, prepare the income statement taking cost of goods sold taka 3,25,000. Okay, dear students. Now solution. Requirement A, calculation the amount of prime cost. My dear students, we know that prime cost is equal to raw material used plus direct wages plus other direct expenses. In this math, raw material used 34,000 taka. Add direct wages or direct labor 14,000 hour into per hour rate taka 2. So 28,000 taka. Plus other direct expenses 0 taka. So prime cost 62,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now requirement B, that is calculation the factory cost and cost of goods sold using cost sheet. Here prime cost according to question 60,000 taka. Add factory overhead. Here factory manager's salary 7,200 taka. Factory supplies expenses 4,200 taka. Indirect wages 9,000 taka. Sundry factory expenses 7,000 taka. So total factory overhead amount is 27,400 taka. Now prime cost 60,000 taka plus factory overhead 27,400 taka. So factory cost amount is 87,400 taka. Add opening work in process 5,200 taka. So total 92,600 taka. Minus closing work in process 6,500 taka. So cost of goods manufactured 86,100 taka. Plus opening finished goods 13,500 taka. So cost of goods available for sale 99,600 taka. Minus closing finished goods 8,500 taka. So cost of goods sold amount is 91,100 taka. Okay, dear students. Now requirement C. FIME Limited's income statement for the year ended 31st December 2015. My dear students, we know that through income statement we can calculate total 3 results. Number 1, gross profit. Number 2, operating profit or loss. Number 3, net profit or net loss. At first we want to calculate gross profit. Formula is sales minus cost of goods sold. My dear students, in this math sales is not available here, so we have to calculate it. So just follow working number 1. Here sales is equal to total cost into 100 divided 100 minus 20. My dear students, now the question, why is it? My dear students, in the question mentioned that profit will be calculated 20% on sales, but in this math sales is missing. So we have to calculate the profit on total cost amount. So uh, if profit 20% on sales, here sales 100 and profit 20. So sales minus profit, then we will get total cost 80 taka. Okay, dear students. My dear students, requirement B, we got uh, cost of goods sold 3,25,000 taka plus other indirect operating expenses 15,000 taka plus 10,000 taka into 100 divided 80. Finally, sales amount is 4,37,500 taka. Okay, dear students. Minus cost of goods sold 3,25,000 taka. So gross profit amount is 1,12,500 taka. Okay, dear students. Now less indirect operating expenses. Here office and administrative expenses 15,000 taka and selling expenses 10,000 taka. Total 25,000 taka. So 1,12,500 taka minus 25,000 taka. So operating profit or net profit 87,500 taka. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C. Thank you so much. Today is no more now.